Rainbows are more than just beautiful arcs in the sky. They're complex optical phenomena rooted in physics, geometry, and atmospheric science. Today, we'll explore 10 amazing scientific facts about rainbows that reveal how light, water, and perspective come together to create one of nature's most stunning illusions. Fact 1. Rainbows are formed by refraction, reflection, and dispersion. Rainbows occur when sunlight enters a raindrop, slows down and bends. Refraction reflects off the inside surface of the drop, and then bends again as it exits. This process separates white light into its component colors, a phenomenon called dispersion. The angle at which this happens is typically 42 degrees from the direction opposite the sun, which is why rainbows always appear in the part of the sky opposite the sun. Fact 2. Rainbows are actually full circles. Although we usually see rainbows as arcs, they are actually full circles. The ground blocks the bottom half, so we only observe the top portion. From high altitudes, such as in airplanes or on mountaintops, observers can sometimes see the complete circular rainbow. This shape results from the symmetrical angle of light dispersion around the observer's shadow. Fact 3. The colors are continuous, not discrete. While we often describe rainbows as having 7 distinct colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, the spectrum is actually continuous. There are countless shades blending smoothly from one to the next. The 7-color model was popularized by Isaac Newton, who chose 7 to match the musical scale, but in reality, the rainbow contains an infinite gradient of hues. Fact 4. No two people see the same rainbow. Rainbows are not located at a specific point in space. They are optical illusions that depend on the observer's position relative to the sun and the water droplets. This means that every person sees a slightly different rainbow, even if they're standing side by side. The light rays that form your rainbow are not the same ones forming someone else's. Fact 5. Double rainbows have reversed colors. A double rainbow occurs when light reflects twice inside the raindrop before exiting. The second reflection causes the secondary rainbow to appear outside the primary one, with its colors reversed, red on the inside and violet on the outside. The secondary rainbow is also fainter because more light is lost during the second reflection. Fact 6. Supernumerary rainbows exist. Sometimes, faint pastel-colored bands appear inside the main rainbow. These are called supernumerary rainbows and are caused by interference patterns in very small water droplets. Unlike the main rainbow, which is formed by geometric optics, supernumerary rainbows result from wave optics, specifically, the diffraction and interference of light waves. Fact 7. Rainbows can be polarized. Light from a rainbow is partially polarized due to the way it reflects inside water droplets. This means that if you wear polarized sunglasses and tilt your head, parts of the rainbow may appear brighter or dimmer. Scientists use this property to study atmospheric particles and even calibrate optical instruments. Fact 8. Rainbows can be seen in mist, spray, or fog. Rainbows don't require rain. They can form in any situation where sunlight interacts with tiny water droplets. This includes mist from waterfalls, ocean spray, fog, and even garden sprinklers. The key is having droplets of the right size and sunlight at the correct angle. These fog bows, or spray bows, are often paler and broader than rainbows formed in rain. Fact 9. Rainbows can be simulated in labs. Scientists can recreate rainbows using prisms, glass spheres, and controlled light sources. These simulations help researchers study the behavior of light and refine models of atmospheric optics. In classrooms, simple experiments with water and flashlights can demonstrate the principles of refraction and dispersion, making rainbows a powerful teaching tool. Fact 10. Rainbows reveal the physics of light. Rainbows are a perfect example of how light behaves as both a wave and a particle. Their formation involves geometric optics, refraction and reflection, and wave optics, interference and diffraction. Studying rainbows has helped scientists understand the electromagnetic spectrum, the nature of color, and the behavior of light in different media. Rainbows may seem simple, but they're packed with physics, geometry, and atmospheric science. From full circles and reversed colors to wave interference and polarization, they're a stunning reminder of how light interacts with the world around us. Subscribe to funfactorylab for more science-powered journeys into nature's most beautiful mysteries.